join the fun, it's animal rhyme. We've got our friends and sunny time. Let's clap our paws.
5 little ducks woke up at dawn, stretching their wings on the shimmering lawn. Mama duck called, "Come along, my crew." The morning sun painted the lake bright blue. They waddled down with cheerful quacks, little feet tapping soft grass tracks. The first duck splashed with a happy cheer, sending ripples dancing far and near. The second duck twirled in a tiny spin, laughing as the bubbles tickled his chin. The third duck dived with a swooping glide, popping up again by Mama's side. The fourth duck chased a butterfly's light, jumping through sparkles of silver bright. The fifth duck found a floating leaf boat and rode it proudly as it stayed afloat. Mama duck smiled as she watched them play, her 5 little ducks brightening the day. They paddled together in a gentle line, glowing like pearls in the sunshine. As evening came and the sky turned gold, the water felt calm and the breeze felt cold. Mama called softly, "It's time, my dears," and the ducks swam back through the quiet cheers. 5 little ducks settled close and tight, wrapped in the warmth of the fading light. Stars appeared above the sleepy bay, ending their sweet and splashy day.